Guitar tutorial tayo ng 21 Guns by Green Day. Madali lang po yung chords niya at kayang-kaya ng mga beginner. Okay, ang kapo natin ay sa 5th fret at ang mga chords ay A minor, F, C, at G. And then sa strumming pattern naman, down, 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 up. Try natin sa A minor, down, 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 up, and then F, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Do you know what's worth fighting for when it's not worth dying for? Does it take your breath away and you feel yourself suffocating? Pagdating sa F, dalawang beses na ulit, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, and then G, down, 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 up. Just a plain way out of the pride, and you look for a place to hide. Did someone break your heart inside? You will ruins. 21 guns. Okay, pagdating dun sa last chord ng verse, puro down na lang sa F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down. Pagdating sa G, down na lang. And then pasok sa chorus, down, down, top. And then pagdating naman sa chorus, ang mga chords ay C, G, A minor, at F. And then pagdating naman sa strumming pattern, down, down, top, down, down, top, down, down, top. And then pagdating sa G, balik na ulit dun sa unang strumming pattern, down, 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 up. Pagsamahin natin, and then balik lang sa verse 2. When you're at the end of the road and you lost all sense of control and your thoughts have taken their toll, when your mind breaks the spirit of your soul, and then sa bridge part, ang mga chords ay A minor, F, C, G, at E. And then sa strumming pattern, kagaya lang din ng sa chorus. Did you try to live on your own when you burned down the house and home? Did you stand too close to the fire like a liar looking for forgiveness from the stone? And then sa instrumental na. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating tutorial. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo. At kung may request po kayo, i-comment nyo lang yan. Try natin gawa ng easy tutorial.